If you've been looking into the Vital Pro Breeze Avis review, you've probably seen some pretty bold claims. It's supposed to offer a simple way to stay cool and comfortable. But is it really legit? Or are we looking at another product that sounds better than it actually is? So, I decided to take a closer look. The first thing that caught my attention is the portable design. Vital Pro Breeze is marketed as a compact cooling device. That makes it sound useful for bedrooms, offices, or even small spaces. You don't need a large air conditioner just to get some relief. But here's the important part. A small cooling device should not be compared to a full-sized air conditioner. It may help make the air around you feel more comfortable. But expectations matter. Another thing I always check is the price. If the product is being offered at a huge discount, don't rush to buy. Check the final price first. Also look at shipping costs, return policies, and payment options. And then there are the reviews. Be careful with reviews that only make big promises. Look for independent feedback. Real customer experiences are usually more useful than dramatic advertisements. So, is Vital Pro Breeze a scam? Based on the product concept alone, I wouldn't call it a scam. But I also wouldn't blindly trust every claim made about it. The results can depend on your room, temperature, and expectations. If you're thinking about buying it, do your homework first. Check the seller. Read the terms. Compare it with similar cooling products. My quick verdict? Vital Pro Breeze may be worth considering, but don't buy it based on hype alone. Make sure the features match what you actually need.